Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. What if Garmin is about to launch its most unusual wearable ever? A device with no screen, a premium price, and a strategy that could completely change how we look at fitness tech. Over the past few weeks, Garmin Circa has started to appear more and more in leaks, app updates, and retailer listings. And now, the pieces are finally starting to fit together. Earlier, we saw a Ukrainian retailer list the device for pre-order at around 19,999 UAH, which converts to roughly $450. That gives us a strong hint that the launch price will likely fall somewhere between $400 and $500. Now here is where it gets interesting. If Garmin was planning to push a heavy subscription model, the smart move would have been to heavily subsidize the hardware to grow the user base fast. Many companies do this. They sell the device cheaper and make money from monthly fees, but Garmin does not seem to be going down that road. Instead, Garmin appears to be reshaping the purpose of Garmin Connect Plus. This week, Garmin officially confirmed a new benefit for Connect Plus subscribers: exclusive hardware discounts. Annual and long-term monthly members can now access special offers directly inside the Connect app through the What's New section. Subscribers can even generate voucher codes for select Garmin products and accessories, limited to 2 codes every 180 days. This changes the game. Connect Plus is no longer just about extra metrics and insights. It is slowly turning into a membership club, a loyalty system, a way to reward long-term users with real physical value. And this could be Garmin's strategy to soften the high price of the Circa for loyal customers without officially lowering the retail price. But pricing is only one part of the story. The biggest development came from a teardown of Garmin Connect version 5.25. The update does not mention Circa by name, but it includes very revealing code references. Inside the app, developers found a database field labeled Screenless device capable, along with something called a limited UI handler. That is a major clue. It strongly suggests Garmin is preparing Connect to support hardware that does not have its own display. In other words, a device that depends almost entirely on the smartphone app for interaction. Now think about that for a second. A Garmin wearable without a screen, that means the phone becomes the main interface. All your data, coaching, and guidance would live inside the app. The wearable itself would quietly collect data in the background, and that theory becomes even stronger when we look at newly discovered in-app commands for guided breathing sessions and meditation features. It looks like the phone will guide you through recovery and stress management, while the wearable focuses on tracking heart rate, stress levels, sleep, recovery, and performance metrics. This also connects perfectly with a trademark filing discovered earlier this year. The filing mentions physiological monitoring, stress recovery, alertness tracking, and performance metrics. That is exactly what you would expect from a recovery-focused, screenless wearable. No distractions, no constant notifications, just pure data collection and health optimization. The wearable industry is slowly shifting toward quieter, more passive devices. Devices that stay out of the way but continuously collect meaningful data. Garmin's recent app updates and backend changes show that the company is not just building watches anymore. It is building a full ecosystem designed to support a completely new category of wearable hardware. In my opinion, this could be one of Garmin's smartest moves in years. A screenless device may sound strange at first, especially at a premium price. But for serious athletes and recovery-focused users, it actually makes sense. Less distraction, longer battery life, more focus on performance and health. If Garmin executes this correctly, Circa could create a new niche between smartwatches and simple fitness bands while strengthening the Connect Plus ecosystem at the same time. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.